A journey of 3,000 years, beginning with a single thread.
Think about the last time something broke in your life. A relationship, a career plan, or maybe even your own confidence. Welcome back to The Healing Weaver. I'm Alex, and today we are talking about how we handle our broken pieces. In our modern culture, when something breaks, we throw it away. Or, if we have to keep it, we try to hide the cracks. We use invisible glue, pretending the damage never happened.
And I'm Carrie. It's true, Alex. We are so ashamed of our scars. But tonight, I want to show you a different way to heal. On the table, there is an antique ceramic bowl. It was once shattered into pieces. But if you look closely, the cracks haven't been hidden. They have been illuminated. Horium, the lines where the bowl broke, are now traced with pure, shimmering gold. This is the ancient art of Jinshan, or Kintsugi.
Repaired with gold, it's breathtaking. The bowl is actually more beautiful now than it was before it broke. But why use gold? Isn't the goal of repairing something to make it look brand new again?
Not in this philosophy. The artisan doesn't want to erase the history of the object. They use natural raw lacquer mixed with gold powder to mend the pieces together. The gold is there to highlight the fracture, to honour it. The philosophy is simple. The break is not the end of the object's life. It is a crucial part of its history. By tracing the fault lines with gold, the artisan is saying, this damage is not a flaw to be hidden, it is a testament to survival.
A testament to survival. That completely changes how we should look at our own lives. We spend so much energy trying to project a perfect, unbroken image to the world. We hide our failures. But if we applied this golden repair to ourselves, we would realize that our scars are exactly what make us unique. We don't need to be flawlessly whole to be valuable.
Yes. True healing isn't about returning to the way things were before. It's about becoming something new, something stronger, and something far more beautiful because of the places you were broken.
Becoming something more beautiful because of where you were broken. For our listeners who are carrying hidden cracks, let's pick 3 words from tonight's golden repair.
The first word is shatter, to break suddenly into many pieces. When her plans shattered, she thought her story was over.
Second is mend. To repair something that is broken or damaged, but with care and intention. She slowly began to mend her spirit piece by piece.
And finally, illuminate, to light up, to make something visible and celebrated. Instead of hiding her scars, she chose to illuminate them.
As we close tonight, we invite you to look at the golden veins on the ceramic bowl on your screen for 30 seconds. Stop hiding your cracks. Don't think, just feel.
See you in the next weave. Good night.